Yeah, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Telegram account, how we create your Telegram account. So let's go to this is your phone now. Let's search on your phone that you have Plus. If you don't have Plus on your phone, you can go to your Chrome, your Play Store, type Plus, then you go and install your Plus. So this is it now. I have installed my Plus now. So this is the interface of your Telegram. Just click on Start Messaging. Then this is it. Choose your country, which is Nigeria. Just go and search. You see Nigeria here. This is it. Click on Nigeria, then put your number that you want to use for your Telegram. So I'm going to put my number now. 644100900. Then click on this money button. Do you see? Is this your correct phone number? Make sure this is your correct phone number. Click yes. Then this is it. And this is it. It is very easy. You have set up your Telegram account. This is it. Do you see? It is very easy. This is a Telegram account here now. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.